Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to link Google Assistant to power button on XIAOMI 14T Pro. Firstly, go into settings, now scroll a bit down and go into additional settings. Now go into gesture shortcuts and launch digital assistant. Enable it, and now after pressing the and holding the power button, Google Assistant is going to activate. And now if you would like to still access your power menu, all you have to do is press volume up and power button at the same time. Yeah, so that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.